tour of the school and show you some of the expectations that we have for our 2020-21 school year. Here is our main entrance. We have two others in the mornings that are open for our students so that we can maintain social distancing. We do ask that if you need an appointment that you make one ahead of time so we can best accommodate you. We do know that there will be exceptions to this, so if you need to see someone, please make sure that you come prepared. Be ready and have your mask and ring the buzzer. When you ring the buzzer, our front office staff will help you. They will meet you at the front door to see what you need. We are gearing up for success this year, and you can tell that by our art decor on the walls and everything that we say and do, including our new shirts. And as you enter, you will see the front office where we have our front office secretary and our attendance clerk. They are great at answering the phones and helping you with whatever your needs may be. If you are able to come in, we will temperature check you and make sure that you have signed our log. We want to make sure we keep everyone safe. This is what is known as our main building. It houses our pre-K, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, and it just makes a giant square. We wish we could show you, but this is as good as it's going to get for now. This is the hallway that takes us to our primary building that houses our kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd. And as you can see, we have our spots on the floor to help us maintain social distancing. We wish we had these spots all the time because we've noticed that it really helps our students, especially the younger ones. Here's an example of one of our classrooms in which we have our desks socially distanced. We're doing everything we can to make sure your child is safe. Here is the nurse's office. This is where your child will come if he or she begins to feel sick. We do know that there are more sicknesses out there than just this COVID-19, but we want to make sure that your child is well taken care of. If it is determined that your child needs to go home, then they will wait in our waiting room for you to arrive. If you are asked to pick up your child, you will pick them up here at the entrance of the bus lane off of West Union. There isn't a doorbell, but we will be waiting for you. And if no one comes to the door, feel free to call 901-873-5900. You will check your child out here so that we do not contaminate the rest of the building. We hope you've enjoyed this brief tour of E.A. Harrold Elementary School. We look forward to a time where you can walk these halls in person. Let's have a great year, everyone, as we gear up for success.